Is your default gallery app doesn't have video crop editing tool or have limited aspect ratio to work on? Don't worry. You can use CapCut, which is completely free and professional grade video editing app on Android. So let's get started without further delay. Open the CapCut app. Make sure that you have the latest version. Tap on Project to select a video for editing. Tap on Add to open the main editing panel. Select the video on editing panel. Switch right a little bit to find Transform Editing tool. Tap on Transform. Select Resize tool. Here you can choose an aspect ratio according to your preference. Tap on the tick icon on the top right corner to confirm. Hit the Export button and the video will be saved on your local storage. And that's how you can easily crop your video to a suitable aspect ratio. CapCut is a powerful app that allows you to edit your videos professionally. If you want more tutorial videos on CapCut Mobile, let us know in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.